Today we are talking about Battement Balancé. It also goes by the term Balancoire or On Cloche. There are slight little nuances, however. So when we're talking about the Battement Balancé or Balancoire, you're doing a grand battement that is swinging back and forth. When you're doing this one, you're going to tilt in the opposite direction of your leg. So you're going to the front, back, front, back, front, back, front. And you can add even a further positioning of your back to really swing your leg. This is great for opening up your hips. You should feel nice and limber by the time you're done doing this exercise. On cloche, now you are going front and back without tilting your body in any direction. On occasion, you will find certain little nuances, so you may be asked to go to the point tendu and brush, or from a fourth position, a tear and brush. You're always going through first though, regardless of where you're asked to close it, be it to the point tendu or the fourth position. You can do the same thing for that balancoire, in which case you can go from the point tendu, brush it through, and throw it back. It's all about that fourth position, front or back, and being able to swing your leg like a pendulum. Balancoire is like a seesaw, and en cloche is like a bell. So you want to think of that leg swinging back and forth like a bell would, or a seesaw teetering back and forth. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we talk about our adage and how our